student, welcome to the OMSAI Academy. Today we are going to start a Cbse board 10 standard maths paper, which is a basic paper, and for this session we are going to solve MCQs first of all. It's a total of 80 marks question. This is section A. If you notice one thing, the first question is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 3 is an options are there. First, odd number but not composite. Option B is square number. C, prime number. D, composite number. But student, if you check, this is a composite number. How? I'll explain you. 7 into 11, right? 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So see, if I took 13 as common, then what I'll get in the bracket? 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1, correct? So 13, it's a prime number. 7 11s are 77 plus 1 is 78. Okay, but if you check, 78 is also the factor. Like if I check, if I try to factorize it by 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 13, 3s are, yes, and 3 1s are 3. So 78 is also having a factors like 2 into 3 into 13. Okay, these all are first of all prime number, but the thing is that the question which is given is composite because it is having factors more than 1, as well as itself, number itself, it is having more than one factor, and that is why it is a composite number, option D. Okay, next question is 2.35 is options are an integer, a rational number, and a rational number, and a natural number. Here 2.35 is basically rational number. See how. .35. So if I'm going to write down 235 into the P by Q form, then it looks like 235 divided by 100. So I can be able to write it in the form of P by Q, and hence it is an irrational number. Sorry, it's a rational number. Yes. Question number 3 is if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots, then c is equal to what? So if you notice one thing, roots are equal. It means what? We already have a equation is like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then when we get the equal roots, when the condition is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, right? So if I shift this minus 4ac to RHS, it will be positive 4ac. We want the value of c, so 4a will be shifted to LHS. It is in the multiplication form at the right hand side, while shifted to LHS it will be divided. So we got the value of c is b square divided by 4a, and the option is B, correct? Okay. Next, moving towards the next question. Question number 4. If angle A and angle B are complementary angle, and angle A is a x, angle A is what? X. Then which equation can be used to find out angle B, which is denoted by y? Okay, so already first of all, complementary means what? Basically supplementary and complementary angle. Supplementary, it means the addition of two angle is 180 degree, and the complementary means addition of two angle is 90 degree. Okay, so we have to find out the value of y. So y is the x plus y is equal to 90. Y is equal to 90. This x will be shifted to RHS. It will be subtracted. So we got the value of y is equal to 90 minus x. So option number B is correct. Okay. So everyone be take care of that. Complementary means the sum of the angle is 90 degree and supplementary means the addition of two angles are 90 degree. Next, question number 5. 500 bananas were divided equally among a certain number of students. If there were 25 more students, each would have received one banana less. Then the number of students is, first of all, according to condition, if we check. So first condition is what? 500 bananas were divided among the certain number of students. My certain number of students I'll be assume as x is equal to y. Okay, this is how I got my first equation. The next is what? If there were 25 more students, instead of that, if we increase 25 more students, each would have received one banana less. Okay, so I increase my students with 25, then everyone received one less than banana. It means y minus y 1 is my second equation. Okay, so if you check one thing, that in equation 1 I received the value of y. So here am I going to substitute value of y is equal in equation 2. Put value of y in equation number 2, then what? 500 divided by x plus 25 is equal to 500 by x minus 1. Okay, so what will I get? First of all, we will clear its LCM. It means like base. Yes. Yeah, 500 divided by x plus 25 is, well, I can be able to like this, that 500 by x is in the positive, while shifted to LHS it will be subtracted, and then here I get minus 1. Okay, so if I took 500 is common, what will I get in the bracket is 1 upon x plus 25 minus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1. This 500 is in multiplication, while shifted to RHS it will be divide. Okay, so as well here I'll do the LCM will be clear. Minus 1 upon 500, LCM will be x minus 25 upon x into x plus 25. Okay, this plus minus x will get cancelled, and here I will get that minus 25 upon x into x is x square and x into 25 is 25x equals to minus 1 upon 500. Minus and minus getting cancelled. I'll do the cross multiplication. 25 into 500 is equal to 1 into x square plus 25x is, that's it, 25 5s are 125 is equal to x square plus 25x. Here I'm going to shift this 25,500 to RHS, then it will get subtracted. 12500 is equal to 0. Here I got the quadratic equation. I am doing splitting the middle term method. Minus 12,500 I am going to split it in the form where I want my answer should be 25. So 125 hundreds is 12,500 as well. I want the sign should be one negative and one positive. Okay, so x square plus 125x minus 100x minus 12,500 is equals to 0. Here I'm getting common as x plus 125 minus 100. If I took common, then x plus, because I already took minus as common, 125 equals to 0. So this is the common term which I am taking as common out, and whatever I receive, that I'll took in the second bracket, x minus 100 equals to 0. So x plus 125 is equal to 0, or x minus 100 is equal to 0. Here am I getting negative value, which we are not going to consider. Okay, and here we are getting positive value. So our option is, the answer is 100. So 500 bananas were divided equally among a certain number of students. It were 25 more, each would have received one banana less. Then the number of student is 100. The option is option number D is correct. Yes, the option D is on the second page. Stop. Yes, so students, we are moving towards the question number 6. Question number 6 is the midpoint of segment AB is P. If the coordinates of B are minus 2, 3, then the coordinates of A are C. First of all, what we have to do, if there is a line segment AB, so this is A, this is B, and as per them, P is the midpoint, whereas P's coordinates are 0, 4, and B coordinates are minus 2, 3. So we have to find out the coordinates of A, which is I assume as x1, y1. Okay, so we have to find out this. How will you find it out? So we know the midpoint formula. Our midpoint formula is see, if I consider this as x comma y, this is x2 comma y2, so this is y2. So as per the midpoint formula, how are we going to solve? X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So we already know P is the midpoint where x is 0. Okay, x1 we have to find it out, and x2 we have minus 2, okay, upon 2, comma, y is already 4 is equal to y1 we have to find it out, which is the coordinate of A. B is 3, y2 is 3 upon 2. So 2 is in division. While shifted to LHS, it will be multiplied. So 0 into 2 is 0, is equal to x1. This is minus 2. Minus 2 will be shifted to LHS. It will be change its sign, and it's become positive 2. So x1 I got the value as 2. Then moving towards here, 4 into 2, because 2 is in the form of division, while shifted to LHS it will be multiply. Okay, y plus 3, 4 2s are 8 equals to y plus 3. This positive 3 while shifted to LHS, it will change its sign, it will get subtracted. So my y is equal to 5. So I got the coordinate of A, x comma y, x1 comma y1 is nothing but what? 2 comma 5. So my correct option is 2 comma 5. I hope you understood this. Okay, so now let's moving towards the question number 7. If two triangles ABC and PQR, angle A is equal to angle Q, angle R is equal to angle P, then which of the following will be not true? Here we have to find out which pair is not correct. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, see, question number 7. Here first of all, we'll draw a small diagram A, B, C, just for understanding purpose. Okay, so PQR, where where first of all we see angle A is equal to angle Q. So here we have to take Q. Angle R is equal to angle B. So remaining, whatever remain, that is nothing but P. So ABC and PQR, which is, these are the two triangles, then which of the following will not be true? So as per we see, angle A is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle R. Okay, so if we check, then my triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP, correct? So if we take it similar pair, then my AB upon QR is equal to BC upon RP is equal to AC upon QP. Okay, this first two pairs similar to this two, second two pair similar to this two, and this pair similar to first and the last. Okay, so if we check the first option, which is nothing but AB upon PQ, but AB upon QR is equal to BC upon RP. So student, if we check neatly, the first option is not true, so no need to check the other rest option, because other rest options are all are correct. So this is the first option which is not correct. Okay, so here you can be able to save your time. Okay, because while solving the paper and MCQs, we have to also do the time management. Okay, so these are the tricks which you have to follow. Okay, first, even in the first step you receive the answer, no need to check other options. Okay, moving towards the next question, question number 8. Okay, in the figure, TE is parallel to BC. AB is given 15. Total AB is given 15. Okay, BD is 6. So as my, I'll draw the diagram first. Yes, see, this is my diagram. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so my AB is 15, BD is 6. This is 6, so 15 minus 6, it's 9. AD I got 9. AC is total 25. Okay, so the whole AC is 25. Okay, we have to find out AE. AE, we have to find it out. Okay, so if I assume AE as X, then my EC will become 25 minus X. Okay, so as we check by basic proportionality theorem, okay, what it says, AD upon BD equals to AE upon EC. Okay, so my AD is nothing but 9, correct, and BD is nothing but 6, equals to my AE is X and EC is nothing but 25 minus X. So this is 3 3s and 3 2s is 6. So X upon 25 minus X is equal to 3 by 2. If I do cross multiplication, 2 will be goes with X and 3 will be goes with 25 minus X. Okay, 2X is equal to 25 3s are 75 minus 3 into X is minus 3X. Minus 3X will be shifted to LHS. It will be added with the 2X and it will become 5X is equal to 75. X is equal to 75 upon 5. So X is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So I got the value of AE is 15. AE is 15. So option number C is correct. Okay. Yes. Now we'll move towards the question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 is, yes, AP is tangent to the circle with a center O such that OP is 4 and angle OPA is 30. Then AP is equal to what? Of course, OP, if you check, first of all, this this is my circle. Okay, this is my tangent, this is my center, and the line drawn is 4. This is my angle 30. If I draw a line from the center of the circle to touches to the tangent is always perpendicular. Okay, so as per the theorem, it is perpendicular, so it is 90 degree, and the opposite side is hypotenuse. We have to find out the value of AP. This is my A and this is my P. I have to find out this. So if I check, AP is nothing but my base. So while using trigonometric identities, cos 30, cos theta is 30, cos 30 is base upon hypotenuse. My base is nothing but AP and my hypotenuse is 4. Okay, so the value of cos 30 is nothing but what? So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to AP by 4. So 4 is in division. While shifted to LHS, it will be multiply. It will become what? 4 root 3 by 2 is equal to AP. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So my AP is equal to 2 root 3. Okay, so my option number B is correct. Okay, understood? So we will move towards the question number 10. There question is if 2 tan A is equal to 3. Okay, then we have to find out the value of what? 4 sin A plus 3 cos A upon 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. If you check, they give us 2 tan A is equal to 3. Okay, tan A is equal to 3. This 2 is in multiplication. While shifted to RHS, it will be divide. Okay, so tan A is already nothing but what? Sine upon cos. Sine upon cos matlab perpendicular upon base. Okay, so if I draw a right angle triangle, so this is my theta. If suppose this is my perpendicular and this is my base, if I find out the hypotenuse is nothing but by using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. 9 4 root 13. So my hypotenuse will become root 13 because 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. 9 plus 4 is 13 and the square root of 13 is square root of 13 itself. Okay, so we have to find out C. 4 sine of A plus 3 cos of A upon 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. If you check one thing, sine is nothing but perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so 3 into cos A is nothing but base upon hypotenuse. Okay, now upon 4 sine is P by H minus 3 cos B by H. Okay, if I took common H as a base, then it will get cancelled. Perpendicular is nothing but 3 by H minus 3 into base is nothing but 2 perpendicular by H is I am taking as common. Perpendicular is 3 upon H. Base is nothing but 2 upon H. Okay, this H will getting cancelled as it is common. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6 upon 4 3s are 12 minus 3 2s are 6. 4 6 18, right? And this will become 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the answer is 3. Okay, so question number 10, option A is 3. Okay, yes. Now we will move towards the question number 11, and okay, next question 11. A kite is flying at a height 30 meter from the ground. The length of the string from the kite to the ground is 60 meter. Okay, so if suppose this is my ground level, the height is 30 meter from the ground. Okay, and the length of the string to the ground. Okay, so this is nothing but 60 meter. Assuming that there is no slack in the string, the angle of elevation of the kite at the ground, elevation of angle, it means we have to find out theta. This is nothing but somewhere my kite is flying. Okay, this is my ground level. Okay, so we have to find out the angle theta. So if you notice one thing, we have perpendicular side as well hypotenuse. We can be able to use trigonometry sine theta identity. Am I right? Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 30 and hypotenuse is 60. 6 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So sine theta is nothing but 1 by 2. So theta is nothing but 30, because sine 30 is 1 by 2. So option number A, 30 degree is correct. Okay, now we will move towards the question number 12. Okay, so where the question is 5 cot square A, question number 12, 5 cot square A minus 5 cosec square A is equal to what? Okay, if I took 5 as common, what will I get inside? Cot square A minus cosec square A. Okay, so we have already identity that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is always 1. Okay, so instead of cot, if I am substituting cosec, then if I took this cot square to RHS, it will be plus. So cosec square theta minus 1 is nothing but cot square theta. I am going to use this identity. So what will I get? 5. Instead of cot square A, I am going to substitute cosec square A minus 1 minus this cosec square A. Okay, so 5 into, this is already positive and negative getting cancelled, I am getting minus 1. So 5 into minus 1, my answer is minus 5. So option number D is correct. Okay, so minus 5 is the answer. Okay, so we will move towards the next question. Okay, question number 13. Yes, question number 13 is what? In a circle. Okay, first of all, always do habitualize to make it draw first of all diagram. In a circle, the radius is 21. An arc subtend at an angle 60 degree at the center. This is the angle which is subtended at the center. The area of the sector formed by an arc, by the arc is, this is the radius. Okay, OAB. We have to find out the area of sector. Okay, so area of sector, the formula of area of sector Okay, is nothing but what? Theta by 360 by r square. So my theta is 60 by 360 into pi 22 upon 7, and r is nothing but 21. R square is 21. Okay, so yes, 0 0 getting cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 7 ones are 7 3s are 21, 3 ones are 3 2s are 6, 2 ones are 2, ones are 11s are. Okay, what does it mean? 11 into this 21. 11 ones are 11, 1, carry 1, 11 twos are 22, and 1 23. 231 is the answer. Check. Yes, option number A is correct. Okay, understood. Next question number 13 is there. Yes, question number, yes, 14. If, now check again, I'm going to draw a diagram. AB is a chord. AB is a chord of a circle which having, I'm going to draw a bit big diagram. Yes, this is 5 root 3 with the center as O. Radius is 5. Okay, then area of sector OAB. Here in this diagram there is no theta, and to finding out area of sector we have to find out first of all the angle which is subtend at the center, which they don't give, right? So this is bit time consuming question, student. So here you have to quickly understood that how can we find out the angle theta. What we do, yes, we'll do first of all find the perpendicular height, okay, which I drawn. How we can be able to find? Half into base into height we already know, but yes, base we know. No, we'll do one thing. If I assume this small triangle, okay, this small, yes, this small triangle, if I apply Pythagoras theorem here, how will I get the answer of perpendicular side? If I assume this point as M, okay, M, okay, so in triangle AMO, by applying Pythagoras theorem, AO square, hypotenuse square, is equal to OM square plus AM square. Okay, so my AO is nothing but 5 square. OM I have to find it out. AM is nothing but 5 root 3 by 2 the bracket square. This will become 5 5 is 25 minus, we have to shift this AM squares ka value to the LHS. 5 square is 25 and 25 into 3, 75, because see, square root and square getting cancelled, so here 3 itself, 5 5 is a 25, 25 3 is a 75 divided by 4 is equal to OM square. If I took the LCM, 25 4s are 100 minus 75 upon 4 is equal to OM square. So OM square is equal to 25 by 4. The square goes to square root of 25 by 4 is 5 by 2. Okay, so what I got, the value of OM is 5 by 2. So now I have to find out the angle theta, this first of all. Okay, I have to find out this small theta, then while goes and double to it, I will get the main angle subtended at the center of the circle. Okay, how will I find it out? Yes, if I assume that angle as theta, then cos theta would be, or sin theta. Sin theta would be am 5 root 3 by 2, huh? Yes, divided by hypotenuse 5. It is nothing but 5 by 1. Once it goes up, it will be 1 by 5. 5 getting cancelled. Root 3 by 2. So sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, it is nothing but my angle theta. Theta is equal to 30. No, theta is equal to 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So small theta I got 60. So here guys, if you can check, no need to find out this Pythagoras with the help of Pythagoras. No need to find out the value of OM. Directly you can be able to find out the value of theta with the help of this sign. Yes, so the whole angle is nothing but what? Double of it. So my central angle is what? 120. 60 plus 60. So theta by 360 pi r square is 120 by 360 into pi. I'll keep as it is because the options have mentioned the pi value, and it will be nothing but r square 25. 0 0 getting cancelled. 12 ones are 12. 12 3s are 36. 25 pi by 3. 25 pi by 3. Yes, of question number 14 having option 25 by 3 is here. Option A is correct. Okay. Okay. So now question number 15. If two-digit number is chosen at a random, the probability that the number chosen is multiple of 3. Okay, so basically two-digit number starts from number 10. Okay, so if we check total number of outcomes, okay, so a total number starts from 10, 10, 11, 12 till it goes to the 99, right? So these are the total numbers. How much we receive? That are something around 90. Correct? Yes. Then from this number of set we have to find out the two-digit number which is multiple of 3, of course. So favorable outcome which is a multiple of 3 starts from number 12. Correct? So this will start from 12, 15, 18 till it goes on 99 is also multiple of 3. So these total favorable outcomes are 30 if you count. Then probability of getting this is favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. Is 30 out of 90. 0 0 cancel, 3 ones are 3 3s are. So 1 by 3 is the answer, and which is nothing but option number D. Okay, so we will move towards the question number 16. Okay, 16 question. Consider the frequency distribution of the heights of 60 students of the class where height is given, that are nothing but classes. Number of students, frequency as given. Cumulative frequency is already calculated. The sum of the lower limit of the model class. Model class lower limit, it means the highest frequency is having 16. Okay, so there we have to take 150, the lower limit of the highest frequency of the model class. Okay, is will upper limit of the median class. How can we calculate the median class? Median class is nothing but we have to calculate as n by 2, that is 60 by 2 is nothing but 30. Okay, so 30 comes in the cumulative frequency is after 28, 37. So 37, the class is 160, 165. Upper limit of that is nothing but 165. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. We have to sum of it. The sum of the lower limit and the upper limit of that is 5, 5, 5, 10, 11, 1 carry 3, 15. So option number B is correct. Understood? Yes. Now we will see question number 17. For this I need to draw a diagram. Okay, the height of the cone is 30. Okay, so height of cone is 30 centimeter. A small cone is cut off at the top of the plane parallel to base. It means a small circle is cut which is parallel to base at the top. If its volume is okay, its small volume is nothing but 1/27th of the volume of the bigger cone. Okay, then the height of the above base at which this section has been made. Okay, at which height the section has been cut, that we have to find it out. How can we find it out? Okay, this is my small r, this is my capital R, this is my small h, and already big H I know the value of big H. Okay, right? So yes, volume is equal to 1/27th of big volume. So volume of a cone is 1/3 pi small r square pi r square h is equal to 1/27th into 1/3 pi capital R square h. Okay, then pi getting cancelled, 1/3 is also getting cancelled. Now see, if we check h, we have to find it out. That's nothing but 1/27th. H we already know, that is nothing but 30. This is nothing but r by, this is in multiplication, while shifted to RHS it will be divided. We have to square it off both of them. Okay, now yes, yes, we have to find out the r by r value. And how can we able to find it out? See, if you check, if suppose this is my AMP something, this is my small triangle, this is my AOB is big triangle, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is my common angle. If I compare, then my both triangles are similar by AA postulate. If these are the similar, then its corresponding parts also similar, equal, right? So my AM upon AO is equal to MP upon OB, correct? So my AM is nothing but small h, okay, and AO is nothing but capital H, which is nothing but 30. Smaller, I don't know. OB is my capital R. So my H will be what? This is in division. While shifted to R, just it will be multiply. Or else I'll keep this as it is. I want the value of capital R by small r, right? So I want the value of capital R by R is nothing but 30 by H, right? If I goes and substitute that, then what I'll get? 27 into 30, 30 by H into 30 by H, okay? Yes. So these are the 30 into 30 into 30 by 27 into h square. H square is in division. While shifted to LHS, it will be multiply, and that is nothing but h cube, okay? So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. That 27 into 10, 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000, okay, upon 27. 27 27 getting cancelled, okay? Then I got the value of h cube is 1000. So h cube is nothing but cube root of 1000 is h is nothing but 10, okay? So I got the value of a small h, but I want the answer as the height above the base at which section has been made. So I have to do the capital H minus small h, right? That is nothing but 30 minus 10 is 20. At the 20 centimeter, the small circle will get cut. I hope you understood this. We will move towards the next question. Yes. 18th. Question number 18. The mode of this mode is nothing but what? Mode is nothing but the most repeated number. If you check one thing, the 5 is repeat one time, 5 two times, 3 times, 6 repeats 1 2 times only, 4 repeats 2 times only, 8 repeats 1 2 3, and the mode of this is 8. So of course the value of x, क्योंकि see 5 is repeated for 3 times, also 8 repeats 3 times in the given series. So what, and the mode of the number is, mode of the series is 8. Of course then x will become what? 8. So that 8 will turn to into 4 times, right? So option number C is correct, okay? Next questions are assertion and reason based. First, 19th question is assertion. Image of 0.5 comma minus 16 under x-axis is minus 5 comma 16. Yes, to find the image of point x comma y under x-axis, change the sign of y. To find the image under y-axis, change sign of x. If you change the image under x-axis, it will change the sign of y, okay? So if you change the image under y-axis, it will change the sign of x, vice versa. So both the A assertion and reasons are true, and R is the correct explanation of A, okay? So option A is correct. Next, question number 20 is, no two positive number can have 18 as their HCF, okay? 380 as LCM. So HCF is 18 and LCM is 380.
No two positive numbers can have 18 as their HCF and 380 as their LCM. Of course, if you check LCM 380, if suppose I divide it by 18, it will not completely factorize it. You will get the answer into the something decimal points. Okay, because 18 twos are 36, 36 to remain 20, not possible. Okay, so it is not completely divisible, right? Also, the reason is LCM is always completely divisible by HCF, and that's true. Okay, LCM is always divisible by HCF because HCF is the highest common factor, right? It should have to completely factorize to LCM, so which is not happening. Okay, so both assertion and reasons are, and R is the correct explanation of A. Thank you.